Hi, I'm Dr. Melina Fielder, vet and holistic pet nutritionist from Brisbane. Today I would like to talk about omega-3 essential oils and their loss during processing and storage of commercial dry kibble and canned food. To talk about this topic, I used research about different sources of omega-3 oils, retention, so preservation of these oils in dry dog food. Research has shown that long-chain omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, known as DHA and EPA, have enormous health benefits such as maintaining normal body structure, lowering blood pressure, and aid in long-term heart health. Unfortunately, these long-chain omega-3 fatty acids sourced from fish oil and the oil in fish meal that are almost always added in commercial dog food, so in kibbles, and are exceptionally prone to oxidation when compared to the monounsaturated fatty acids that we find in popular vegetable oils, omega-6 acids. The oxidation of these omega-3 oils from the fish meal or fish oil results in off flavors and odors. These off flavors and odors have been shown to greatly affect the taste and acceptability and has limited the application of DHA in food and feed products. In kibble, supplementing omega-3 oils are mainly done by adding fish meal and not fish oil due to the cost. Fish oil and fish meal added to form a kibble are prone to oxidative processes and formation of inflammatory ingredients. So to prevent the oxidation of omega-3 oils in your dog's dry kibble or canned food, we in SHEVEGA added high level of natural oxidants in our SHEVEGA supplements. Furthermore, because the omega-3 oils will be destroyed in kibble due to the above explained results, which I mentioned is high temperature during processing and long storage time, we in SHEVEGA added our own non-rancid, fresh omega-3 oils from marine algae, more pure source compared to fish or to sheep wool, often contaminated sources of omega-3 DHA oils. And let's talk now about rancidity. What is that and how rancidity affects your dog's health? Besides tasting and smelling bad, rancid fish oil could be harmful and will cause food to be refused. But you might say, my dog doesn't refuse dog food, the food that I feed him, the kibble. Please be aware that lots of palatants and other materials are sprayed on kibble to keep this food attractive to dogs. Animal studies indicate that oxidized fatty acid may cause organ damage and inflammation. And two recent studies comparing unoxidized and oxidized oil found that oxidized fish oil had a negative effect on cholesterol levels in humans and further more severe inflammatory effects. In comparison, unoxidized oil, omega-3 oils, provided excellent and expected health benefits like anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing exposure to oxygen, heat, and light, as well as adding antioxidants, will help protect the oil. But if the oil has already started to oxidize, and that happened when exposed either too light, high temperatures, like happens during the canned and dry kibble production phase and during the storage time. It is just a matter of time before it turns rancid. How can it be avoided? This is another crucial reason to do something about this problem. Not by changing the food, not stopping feeding this food, but by helping and finding a solution. SHEVEGA supplements are a generous source of the best quality of freshly sourced human-grade omega-3, DHA, and EPA oils from marine algae, as well as great source of natural antioxidants that will prevent oxidation of existing, partially damaged omega-3 oils in the food that you have been feeding your dogs daily. Don't risk your pet's health. Don't stress yourself and your pets with changing their food and their habits. Just add SHEVEGA premium supplements to boost their existing food. SHEVEGA supplements are unique in the pet food market, a result of my hard work and a lifelong experience in veterinary medicine and animal nutrition. Please visit us on www.shevega.com and please watch our next video on raw food for dogs topic and how to be safe feeding this growing in popularity dog food. Thank you.